So welcome back to my channel here. You read the title right. Today I'm going to be testing 3 different types of slime recipes because I don't really know if they will work or not, and I will leave the names right here. Here's the first name. Okay, and then here's the second name. Okay, those were the credits. Those are where the recipes originally came from, and this is like a new setup. Like, it's not gonna be like this forever, probably just for a couple weeks. So yeah, I haven't been in this setup in a very long time, but enough talking, and let's just get straight onto the video. So I am back. I hope you guys enjoyed those 2 recipes. They were fails. So if you go to this person's channel and this person's channel, do not follow that because it's a fail, okay? I'm still gonna give them credits because they made the recipe up, but that's like a spam. It's fake. Do not go to their channel. Like all their slime making is fake. Like literally only like 1 or 2 is real. So yeah. Besides all of that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe right here. And yeah, love you guys so much. Bye!